Hey guys, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On this special episode, I don't know if it's an episode, this special video, I'm going to kind of walk you through my thoughts when I'm putting together an intro for a video. So if you've watched a lot of my videos, you've probably seen, that they have different intros generally. Some of them I will template and sort of reuse, but for the most part, I try to make like an interesting intro for each video. And so in this one, I just wanted to kind of show you some of my thought process and have a little bit of fun with making an intro. So all this footage was shot in Hoosier National Forest a couple months ago, so early 2020. So I hope you enjoy. Hope it's fun. All right. So got to make an epic overlanding trailer. All right, we got to pick some video here. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what that means. Okay, so let's see here. What do we got? This looks good. This could be good. This could be like a good intro part. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. Oh, watch out for that tree. Oh, okay. Oops. All right, we got to cut out the drone crashing part, that's for sure. Whoops. All right, we can't have the drone crashing. We definitely got to cut that. Right about there. Perfect. Cut it right there. Okay. I need to pick some music too. It needs to be hipster, but also kind of country, I feel like, maybe. All right, what does this sound like? Let's watch it full screen and see. I mean, that's country. All right, I don't know what the ducks are doing. All right, that may be too country for me. Maybe something a little less country. Ooh, that might be the one. All right, so let's see if this is epic enough here. Let's go full screen. All right, I like that. Ooh, nice transition. All right, cool. I like that. All right, so yeah, let's. I feel good about this. I feel like this is epic now. Let's just start the video. Let's just freestyle it.
Any ideas?
All right, guys, so that was it. Again, hope you enjoyed it. I was actually thinking of making this into some sort of like a parody video of, like the bigger boys that sort of, talk a lot at the beginning of their videos and like talk about life and how if you go overlanding, you're going to get to know yourself and that sort of stuff. But I decided just to keep it short and light and fun and not poke fun at anybody. I mean, again, those videos are all great, and I we all watch them. But I just thought it was kind of funny that, how seriously some people take themselves. So hopefully this was fun for you. Again, as always, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, click the like button. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button. That means a lot to me, and I love it when you guys join the conversation. And comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know if there's other things you guys would like to see. And I'm happy to try to do my best to make those videos for you guys. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe, follow, go to Instagram, go to Facebook. Check me out. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.